الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء المرسلين محمد وأهل بيت الطيبين الطاهرين المعصومين سيما الإمام المنتظر الحجة الثاني عشر روحي وأرواح العالمين لتراب مقدمه الفداء أما بعد بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ربي زدني علما صدق الله العلي العظيم اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد وأجل فرجهم. Right, let me just bring the book on the screen. So this lesson itself, it's very similar to lesson number 5. The points to remember in this lesson are just about how to use the verb yuridu and how to use ma, dhu, and what else is there? And also we are going to learn about badal and one more other thing which I'll have to read to explain. So I'm going to ask Sister Batul, Batul, can you come?
Yes, yes.
Let's read the lesson. Bismillah.
Okay. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Sister Batul, you're breaking.
Yeah, can you hear me now? Can you hear me?
Yes, we can.
Okay. In this lesson, we learned the following. The verb yuridu, he wants, with isnad to all the pronouns. For example, Mada turidu ya Bilalu. What do you want, Bilal? Uridu ma'an. I want water. Mada turiduna ya ikhwanu. What do you want, brothers? Nuridu aqlaman. We want pens. Mada turidina ya Layla. What do you want, Layla? Note that the initial letters denoting the mudari, ya, ta, alif, noon, have dhamma. This happens when the verb has 4 letters in the madhi. You will learn more about this later. The madhi of the verb arada, he wanted. I wanted is aradtu. And you wanted is aradta.
Excellent.
Or
right.
aradti.
Can you be able to conjugate the past tense of arada? Or do you need help?
You want the madhi?
Yes, please.
Okay. So he wanted arada, aradat, she wanted, aradata, huma, aradata.
Right.
And then
the alif is the alif between the ra and the dal is removed.
Yeah.
It becomes
arad.
Arad. Arad. Na.
Aradna. Yes. We wanted.
No, aradna. No. Let me. I thought I could. Okay, that's fine. Let me bring it onto the screen. I just wanted to see whether if you remembered. If that's fine. Give me 1 second. Let me bring it on the screen for yourself. I have got it on the screen, so I'll just bring it on the screen. Ya Allah. I just thought maybe you remember it, but that's fine.
Aradat. So she wanted aradat?
No, she wanted is aratta. So start from aratta.
Aratta. You're bringing on the screen for the.
Sorry.
Yeah,
yeah, I'm just trying to find it on my phone so that I can bring it on the screen. Give me, bear me 1 second. So is aradna then aratta? Aratta.
She wanted.
Yeah.
Then they do, like for dual.
Yeah, that's right. So it's
Arada, to dual
no,
for
no, no,
male.
no, no, aratta, arattuma, arattum. So if you go back to the let me just bring the book back on the screen.
And for male, they wanted aradu.
No, yes, aradu. Let me just bring in the
Assalamualaikum, Maulana. She wanted Aradat.
Sorry, just 1 second. Let me just bring it on the screen for yourself. So I just want you to see it because there it is. So start again, Batul, please.
Yes.
Arada.
Okay. Arada, he wanted. Aradat, she
Aradat,
wanted.
correct.
Aratuma.
No, no.
Aratuma.
No.
Aratuma.
Okay. Let me conjugate it so make it life easier. It's
Yes.
arada, aradu. Aradat, aradata, aradna, hunna, aradna. Can you see this one? Aradtu. So this aradtu, which you see on the screen, I wanted.
Or just noon.
Exactly. Just change that with a noon fatha. Aradna. Then aratta, arattuma, arattum, aratti, arattuma, arattunna, arattu, arad.
Na.
Na.
Aratna. Okay.
Okay.
Arada, he wanted. Aradat, she wanted.
No. No. Arada, aradu.
The he for first he, right? For the male.
That's right.
Okay. Arada, aratuma.
No. What's happening, Batul? You're going from he to you.
Lost.
So huwa, huma, hum. So use the pronouns. Huwa is
Huwa arada.
correct. Huma.
Huma araduma.
You're Batul, what's happened?
I don't know.
Okay. Arada, that's alif the next. Arada, aradu. Aradat, aradata, aradna.
Aradna. Okay.
Try again.
Huwa arada. Huma arada.
Correct.
Hum aradtum.
No, aradu. There's a vowel.
Aradu, sorry. Aradu. Huma hiya aradat.
Correct.
Huma aradata.
Correct.
And hunna aradna.
Correct. Then anta.
Anta aratta. Antuma arattuma.
Correct.
Antum arattum. Anti aratti. Antuma arattuma. Antunna arattunna. And ana arattu. And narattu. No, sorry, naradna. Aradna.
Aradna. Correct.
Now for Muzare. Okay.
So Mudhari, let me bring someone else. Let me bring someone from Mudhari.
Okay.
Let me bring who's there? Let's bring Sister Sister Sadiqa. Sister Sadiqa, Assalamu alaikum. Are you there?
Assalamualaikum, yeah.
Okay. Can you kindly conjugate?
Huwa yara'du.
No, present tense is yuridu.
Huwa yuridu. Huma yuridani. Hum yuriduna. Hiya turidu. Turidani. Turidna.
Yuridna.
Yuridna. Turidu. Anta turidu. Antuma turidani. Antum turiduna. Anti turidina. Antuma turidani. turidani, antunna turidna,
No,
ana
no. Antum turiduna.
turiduna, antunna turiduna, ana
Ana.
uridu,
I got it on the screen now.
ana uridu, nahnu nuridu.
Ana uridu, nahnu nuridu. So I've got it on the screen. Thank you, sister, for that. Now, sister Ismat, can I ask you to come on the mic?
Salam, Sheikh.
Alaikum salam. I want you to do the present tense as well, please.
Okay. So it's
Can you see on the screen?
yes, I can.
Yeah, go ahead.
Is this present? Oh, okay.
Yeah, this is yuridu. Yeah, this one here.
Oh yeah. Huwa yuridu, he wants. Huma yuridani, hum yuriduna, hiya turidu. Huma turidani, hunna yuridna. Anta turidu, antuma turidani, antum turiduna, anti turidina, antuma turidani, turidani. Turidani, yeah.
Yeah, turidani, correct.
Antunna turidna.
Turidna. Yeah, the ya is dropped.
Yeah. Ana uridu.
Ana
Nahnu
Nuridu.
nuridu. Okay.
Excellent. Brilliant. Thank you. Sister Sadia. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah, doctor. Can you come on the mic, please?
जी वालेकुम सलाम या मसन
Sister Sadia, can I ask yourself, how do you say I want?
उरीदु
We want.
नुरीदु
I wanted, past tense. I wanted.
this will be uridtu no
Arattu.
aradtu
Yeah, arattu. And we wanted?
no aradna
Aradna.
Aradna.
She wanted, past tense.
past tense she wanted aradat or it is written there okay aradat.
Yeah, aradat. Right, I want you to conjugate the past and present tense. Bismillah.
Yeah, for both arada
J.
arada aradu aradat aradata aradna
Correct.
aradta aradtuma
Aradna, then aratta.
yeah aradna aradta aradtuma aradtum aradti aradtuma aradtunna
Correct.
aradtu aradna.
Excellent.
And then present will
tense.
be yuridu yuridani yuriduna turidu turidani yuridna turidu turidani turiduna turidina turidani turidna uridu nuridu.
Uridu. Excellent. Thank you for that. Sister
Yeah,
Akim.
Sheikh, can I interrupt? Sorry,
Yes,
I'm
go ahead.
interrupting. But what's the difference between the normal verb and this one? There must be something specific about it.
Okay. Good
Or
question.
maybe later.
No. The thing is that it's a question which I have answered before, and you've asked the question again. It's good that
Is it
you
a
asked.
four-letter word? Is that why?
Brilliant. Exactly. It's a four-letter verb, and
Yeah.
I was going to ask you this question. So, alif, ra,
Yeah.
alif, ra, alif, dal. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4-letter verb, and
Yeah.
this is a weak letter verb. That the middle letter is a weak letter. It's a ya.
Yeah.
So that's the reason why it's and it's on which pattern is this verb on? On
Pattern.
which pattern? Which pattern this verb is on?
Akrama.
Ahsanti. Yeah. So this is the ahabba. Remember we did ahabba in book 2?
Yeah, double B. Yeah.
The double B. So originally ahabba is a 4-letter verb, and
Yes.
with the shadda it became 1 ba. It was ahbaba, and the original pattern was this one here. Remember this now? Akrama.
Oh yes. Yeah.
So,
Absolutely. Yeah. Thank you.
I've sent this in the group.
Yeah. It's just that I can't download these things. So
okay, message me. Message me, and then I'll email it across to yourself.
Yep. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.
So akrama, akramu, akramat, akramata, akramna. So akramna, This is a 4-letter verb. The noon always comes with a fatha at the end in the 6th form. And
Yeah.
what happens, the letter before it should get a sukoon. So when we go to this one here, arada, arada, aradu, aradat, aradata, we make the dal with a sukoon. So Sister Batul, come on the mic as well with Sister Ismat.
Yes, yes.
Now, the dal is with a sukoon, yes? And
Yes.
if we had the alif as well, and the arad, it'll be difficult to read. It'll be iltiqai sakinain.
Yeah.
Alif silent and a dal silent. And ara, and imagine this dal had a sukoon. If you have a sukoon, there's iltiqai sakinain, and whenever there's iltiqa sakinain, a weak letter and a non-weak letter, the weak letter is removed. So it became arad na.
Okay. Yeah.
Is that clear for the rest of the class as well?
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm fine at the moment. Yeah.
Okay, mashallah. Ahsanti. So yeah. So then aratta, arattuma, arattum, aratti, arattuma, arattunna, arattu, aradna. Right. Sister Aqila, can I ask you to come on the mic, please?
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. Now, many of you in this class, in this group, are attending the Quranic Arabic, which is a different approach, trying to understand Surah Al-Hamd and Surah Baqarah. Now, in Surah Baqarah, the verb yuqimuna as-salata wa yu'tuna az-zakata. Okay? Wa yuqimuna as-salata. Now, which group are you in, Sister Aqila? Are you in group 1 or group 2 of Africa?
I'm with Wednesday group.
No,
four.
Monday. Then is it the group 1 or group 2?
I'm attending Monday and Tuesday. So
Yeah. But today's group, which group are you in? I just thought to double check because I want to send something for yourself. You're in group 1. Okay. So I'm going to send this. I want you to conjugate another verb on this pattern. The verb is on the same pattern, which is yuqimuna salata. The yuqimuna salata, the past tense of that is aqama. Same pattern as arada. Aqama, yuqimu. I've done this with the fast track. So yuqimu, I'll just write this out for you. And I want you to conjugate this for me, the past tense. And I'll write arada, yuridu. Bismillah. Conjugate, please. Past tense. Let me send it. I've just sent in the WhatsApp group. Have a look so that you know how it looks like.
Akama.
Yes.
Okay. Huwa akama.
Correct.
Huma akama.
Correct.
Hum akamu.
Excellent.
Hiya akamat.
Yep.
Huma akamata.
Excellent.
Hunna akamna.
Excellent.
Anta akamta. Antuma akamtuma. Antum akamtum. Anti akamti. Antuma akamtuma. Antunna akamtunna. Ana akamna. Nahnu akamna.
MashaAllah. Thank you. Was that good? Yes. So Shakila, this is when now the present tense of aqama yuqimu will be what?
Yukimu.
Correct. Conjugate now.
Huwa yukimu. Huma yukimani. Hum yukimuna. Hiya tukimu.
Correct.
Huma tukimani. Hunna tukimna.
Excellent.
Yukimna.
Yep.
Anta tukimu. Antuma tukimani. Antum tukimuna. Anti tukimina. Antuma tukimani. Antumna tukimna. Ana ukimu. Nahnu nukimu.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Thank you for that. Right. Who is the next Braveheart? I will bring Sister Sadiqa back on the mic. Okay, Sister Sadiqa.
Yes.
What will be the Amr?
Of
Aqama, arada, yuridu.
Uridu, urida,
No,
uridu.
amar, command. So the command of akrama yukrimu, what was the command of akrama yukrimu?
Akrim.
Akrim. Yes.
Akrim, akrima, akrimu, akrimi, akrima, akrimna.
Akrim, akrima, akrimu, akrimi, akrima, akrimna. Excellent. And then the next one, what's ahabba? Sorry, forget that. Now this one here, are you able to explain to me what would be the amr for this? Arada yuridu. What is the amr?
Arid.
Why? Explain.
Why or how?
How and why? Both.
Because it will be, you have to remove the first one, whether it is ta or ya, whatever, and the ending noon you have to remove.
Excellent. So the last letter, not the noon, the actual dhamma in the singular. So remove the ta and the dhamma on the dal, and it becomes, and then what happens in the four-letter verb? This is a four-letter verb. Then do we bring hamzatul wasl or hamzatul qat?
It will become arid.
Yeah. So remember, there's a ya as well. The ya between, when you drop the ta, make the last letter silent. The ya, because the ya is silent and the dal is silent. The ya is silent and the dal is with a sukoon. Again, iltaqa'u sakinain. The ya is dropped. The ya is dropped. And because this is a four-letter verb, the past tense, whereas arada, the alif there, it comes back in the command again, and it becomes
Arid.
arid. Is that
Remove
clear?
the last.
Yeah, the ya is dropped as well. And then
Yeah.
after that, in the dual and the plural, the ya comes back in. Arid. Bismillah, conjugate now. Arid.
Arida.
Correct.
In antum it becomes aridu.
Correct.
Anti, uridu.
Aridi. Anti aridi.
Aridi. Antuma arida.
Correct.
Antuma aridna. So basically the first letter and the last hamza, zamma will be removed.
Yeah, exactly. Right.
Lamba sir, sorry, can I just ask there that
Go ahead.
this is Hamzatul Qata?
Yes, hamzatul qat. In the four-letter verb, the alif which is there is hamzatul qat itself. Yes. So this one itself, this alif, it comes back because this is a four-letter verb. It is reappears because what happens in the present tense, the alif is dropped, and then when it can make the command, the alif reappears again. So it becomes arid. Okay.
Fine.
So this is, and as you're on the mic,
It could be rid can be done as well, no?
No, because this is because if you say rid, then you're changing the verb completely itself.
All right. Yes. Yeah. Because the base is not rid.
The base is akrama. The base is af'ala, yuf'ilu, bab if'al. And what will be the command? What will be the command of ata'a? Sorry, the command of aqama yuqimu. What will be the command? Ata'a, the verb which I posted in the group. Alif, twa, alif, aqa, alif, qaf, mim, alif, mim. Sorry, alif, qaf, alif, mim. Aqama yuqimu. What will be the command? Amr.
So it will be ak.
Nope.
Just a second. Not ak. It will not start with ak.
Alif will be with a fatha. That's correct.
All right.
Aqama yuqimu.
Akim.
Ahsanti.
Akim.
And in the Quran.
Akim. Akima.
Correct.
So then it will be akima or akima.
Akim. The ya comes back in. The ya comes back in the jewel.
Yeah. Akim. Akima. Akimu. Akimi. Akimna.
Akimna. In Surah Hud, let me see if I got them.
In Salat, once we say kad akama or
kad qamat as-salat is the past tense. Qama yaqumu is the three-letter verb. Qama
so this is the same kama, isn't it? Kad kama.
Yes. قد قام يقوم. قام يقوم means to stand up.
Yeah.
قام, he stood. قد قام.
Yeah, then this salat we are kama because there are two of them. No, I'm mixing them up.
No,
Kama
you're
this
right, you're
salat.
right.
Why?
قد, so that verb, aqama yuqimu, is the 4-letter verb. The root word
Yeah.
is qama yaqumu. Bihawlillahi wa quwwatihi aqumu. When you say aqumu, I am standing.
Mhm.
And qad qamatis salat means namaz has been established,
Yeah.
has been erected.
Okay, jazakallah.
Okay, qama yaqumu. And this is aqama yuqimu. The ya in the present tense is coming with a dhamma.
Okay.
Yuqimu. Aqama yuqimu. Okay. So become akim and continue the command. Akim, akima. So Zadia, continue.
Kam
Akim.
akima.
Yeah.
Akimu. Akimi.
Yeah.
Akima. And akimna.
Akimna. Now I'm going to send yourself some examples from the Quran so that you can see where it has been mentioned.
So,
Right.
sir, the difference between like for the 4-letter and the 3-letter, so akama, it will be like yukimu, whereas for kama, it will be yakumu.
For qama yaqumu, yes, right. Qama yaqumu,
right.
and aqama yuqimu, correct.
So what's the difference between, what is the difference, like what is the meaning between the two? Like what
So
is
the
the
main meaning
difference,
is
main
qama.
difference?
The meaning of qama, yaqumu, comes mainly in the meaning of standing up. Qum, stand.
Yeah, yeah.
And when you want to say and give the meaning of establishing, or someone else is initiating something itself or causing something, then you use the aqama yuqimu itself. For example, I'll give you an example. Dakhala yadkhulu means he entered.
Yeah.
Dakhala yadkhulu, he entered. That means he did it voluntarily himself. But when you say adkhala,
Adkhulu, yeah,
adkhala yudkhilu, Allahumma adkhil ala ahli al-qubur. So, oh Allah, cause. So when you want to give the meaning of causing and someone initiating something, then you use the babi if'al. Adkhala yudkhilu idkhal adkhil. And here
So is it very strong, like very strong meaning?
Yeah.
Establishing, yeah.
That's right. That's right. So yuqimu, I've just sent it. I've sent in the group.
Sheikh, is it something like passive?
No, it's not passive at all.
It's not passive. Okay.
Not at all. It's just give it a causative that you're
Okay,
causing someone. Yeah, you're causing it a action upon the doer itself. Upon the
He's
object.
not doing himself, but it's causing.
No. Is that okay? Like adkhaltu alayhi, I made him. So for example, the verb jalasa. I'll give you an example.
Yes. Yeah.
Jalasa tiflu. Jalasa at-tiflu. The child sat. Jalasa at-tiflu. The child sat. Ajlasa at-tifl ala sariri. Ajlasa at-tifl ala sariri. I made the child sit on the chair.
Okay.
So,
getting harder.
So this is the causative itself. I will cover this again. So I've just sent in the group a verse of the Quran itself where aqama yuqimu's command has been used. Sister Parveen Naqavi, I want you to come on the mic, please.
Assalamu alaikum, Maulana.
Sister Parveen Naqavi, there's a verb in the Quran which is used yuti'un. Ata'a yuti'u.
Ata'a yuti'u. Alif.
No,
right.
Alif, ta, alif, ain. Ata'a means obey.
Obey.
Ata'a yuti. I want you to conjugate past and present, please.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ata'a, ata'a, ata'u, ata'at, ata'ata, ata'na.
Correct.
Atatu. Oh no, I'm sorry. Atata, atana.
No, ata'ta, ata'tuma.
Ata'at, atata, atatu.
Ata'a, ta'a, ata'u, ata'at, ata'ata, ata'na. Like akamna.
Atana. Right. Atana, atata, atatum, atatuma, atatum, atati, atatuma, atatunna, atatu, atana.
Excellent. Sister, Dr. Rahim, are you there? Jazakallah.
Yes, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim.
I want you to do the present tense of ata'a yuti'u, please.
Yuti'u, yuti'ani, yutihunna, I think it's
Yuti'una.
yuti'una, anta tuti'u, tuti'ani, tuti'una, anti.
Yep.
Anti tuti'ina, antuma tuti'ani, antunna tuti'na, ana nuti'u.
No, uti'u. Ana uti'u.
Nahnu nuti'u.
Nahnu nuti'u. Okay, brilliant. Right. And Sister Mukarrama. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah.
Wa alaikum salam.
Sister Mukarrama, can you do for me the command?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ati, ati'a, ati'u, ati'i, ati'a, ati'na.
Excellent. Excellent. Now, have you received a handout which I've just sent yourself now on your phones?
Is it in fast track?
No, in the Africa group. Surah Ahzab. I've just sent it now. In Surah Ahzab, verse number 66. 66 and 33.
I don't know if I am on Africa group.
Okay, you
You're going to chat or you're putting on the wall on the.
No, yeah, and it's Ahzab, verse number 33. Sister, I'm gonna ask Sister Munira. Sister Munira, are you there? It's the verse where it says, "Aqimna salata wa atina zakata wa atina Allah wa rasulahu."
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum salam. Sister, have you got the message?
No, Monday Africa one, Arabic language. I got last is Aqama, Yuqimu, Arada, Yuridu. There
should be another one. There should be another one.
No, I did not get another one.
Just check your phone. I've just sent it now. There's 2 screenshots I've sent. Who could see it? Sister Butul?
Malana, it's not in Tuesday group, it's in Monday group.
It's
Yeah, okay, Butul, let me bring you on the back. Sister Butul, in verse number Ahzab, verse number 33.
I have sent on the group. Is it this one?
Yeah, I've sent it. She should have it. وَأَقِمْنَا الصَّلَاةَ explain to me وَأَقِمْنَا الصَّلَاةَ وَآتِينَا الزَّكَاةَ وَآتِينَا الرَّسُولَ. Explain أَقِمْنَا and وَآتِينَا. What is this?
So this is for the female. They أقمنا الصلاة.
Which tense is it? Is it
No,
past,
no.
present, or command?
It's the Amar, right?
You tell me. I'm asking you the question. It seems you're asking me.
It's a Amar. It's a Akam. Command. Amar. Yeah.
Okay, conjugate for me.
Aqimna salah.
Conjugate the
So,
7 forms or 6 forms. Sorry. Akim.
Yeah. So do you want the Amar command?
Yes, the female ones.
Yeah.
The 3.
Okay. So female will be Akimi,
Yeah.
Akima, and Akimna.
Excellent.
So it's female, yeah.
And the next one, wa'atina.
Wa'atina. Again, it's
not wa'atina, wa'atina.
Yeah.
There's no ya.
Wa'atina is again the same female command, giving command to female.
And what will be the singular feminine?
It will be ati.
Nope.
Singular feminine, right?
Yes. Correct her, anyone?
Ati.
Excellent.
Anti.
It's not. Yeah, ati. Ahsanti. Yeah, ati. So there be a ya after the twa, and after the ayn, another ya for the feminine, the alamatul ta'nis for the feminine, or the sign for feminine. Alamatul fa'il dhamir, ati'i. So ati'i. Then ati'i, ati'a, then?
Ati'u. Ati'na, yeah?
Ati'na, correct. Correct. Did everyone understand what I was trying to do? Sister Munira, did you find it on the screenshot?
Oh, no, sorry.
Yes, I got it.
Okay.
It is 33, correct?
Yes.
I think it's written Akila sent. I don't know.
Yeah, Sister Akila sent it. Apologies, I think my message went to the wrong group.
Yeah. So I see Akila sent Holy Quran 33, and
that's
the
fine.
word is here.
That's fine. Okay. Right.
Thank
Any
you.
questions from anyone so far? No? So that was just a revision for you to understand the importance of these verb conjugations to be able to understand the Quran itself. Right.
Actually, these verbs, we need lots of practice.
Yeah, that's the reason why I've given you. I want everyone to give from those examples of the ayat which I've just sent.
Inshallah.
If you could.
Can I ask a question?
Sorry, I've just sent it. I sent it to the group.
Can I ask a question?
So I didn't catch that, Sister Butul Mukarrama.
Can I ask a question?
Yeah. Go ahead. Bismillah.
So the ayat Aqimis Salati Lidulukil Layli, whom does it order? It seems like an Amar, Aqimis Salati.
Okay, let me show you now. Let me show you on this one.
And now I received so many verses.
Yes. So this is a command. I'll have to check the ayah who is referring, but this is a command to the people in front of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So aqama itself. So the first ayah is Surah Hud. Aqimis salat taraf an-nahar zulfa min al-layl. That's Surah Hud, verse number 114. And then we have Aqimis salata wa atu zakata. Which one are you referring to, sister?
I think Aqimis Salati Lidulukil Layli, if I remember Surah Isra.
Yep. So that's a command as well. That is a command as well. Who, if you are referring exactly who is it referring to, I'll double check the tafsir and to who is that referring to. But you should understand that this is a command to the person in front of, or Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is being commanded for the mu'mineen.
Okay, so it's ijma'i.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
What do you mean ijma'i?
I mean that for everyone, all of the ummah.
Yeah. So it's referring to the individuals in front of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and Rasulullah is commanding the companions. I'll have to say Sha'n in Nuzul itself when that was revealed to give the exact reference itself. I'll check it and I'll send it to you in the group.
Okay, Jazakallah.
Any other questions from anyone?
Please, Sheikh, can I ask a question?
Yes.
It's regarding lesson number 4, Sheikh.
I'll take the questions afterwards, not now. If it's lesson number 4, that's 2 lessons behind. I'll do that afterwards. You need to message me, I'll take that. Right. Any other questions related to what we have done so far? Right. Okay, Sister Batul, can you kindly come on the mic, please?
Yes.
Bismillah. Let's finish this off.
Okay, so should I start with the number 2?
Yes,
we have
please.
learned the interrogative and the negative. Ma, for example, masmuka, what is your name? Ma fahimtu darsa, I did not understand the lesson. Another kind of ma is the relative ma, which means what or that which. For example, nasitu ma qultali, I forgot what you told me. Ashrabu ma tashrabu, I will drink what you drink. La a'budu ma ta'budun, I don't worship what you worship. In Arabic, this is called mal mawsula. Mal mawsulata. Can I carry on?
Yep.
Number 3, we have learned zu. When mansub, it becomes za. For example, في فصلنا طالب ذو شعر طويل. In our class, there is a student with long hair. رأيت طالبا ذا شعر طويل. شعر طويل. I saw a student with long hair. أريد مصحفا ذا حرف كبير. I want a copy of the Quran with large letters. Proper nouns, number 4. Proper nouns on the same pattern of fu'alu are as-sarfi.
We can't see sorry, we can't see the text. Okay, thank you.
Number 4.
Start from fi
Number 4.
faslina.
Okay.
In our class, when
Number
there is in fi faslina.
في فصلنا طالب ذو شعر طويل. In our class, there is a student with long hair. رأيت طالبا ذا شعر طويل. I saw a student with long hair. أريد مصحفا ذا حرف كبير. I want a copy of the Quran with large letters. Number 4.
So
Proper
let me just explain.
nouns.
Let me explain this now. Now, what this is now, and the point number 3 is the following. Now, the word, when we have learned dhu, we have done dhu malin, dhu sha'rin, and so forth. Dhu comes in the meaning of possession, of ownership. Now, dhu, whenever it comes with a waw, it's in the state of raf. It's in the state of raf, and it's called dhu malin. But when it comes as a object, then it becomes a dha. The dhu changes to dha in the state of an object for a verb. Let me give you an example now. في فصلنا طالب ذو شعر طويل. Sister, Sister Munira. In this example, في فصلنا طالب ذو شعر طويل. In our classroom is a student who has long hair. So in this sentence, ذو شعر طويل, what position ذو has?
Well, it possesses. It is it's a mudaf ilayh.
ذو شعر is mudaf ilayh. Excellent. And
sha'rin tawilin is a noun adjective
yes,
phrase.
Noun adjective. Excellent. But what position ذو has itself in the sentence?
It is a delayed subject.
Very, very, it's okay. It's near enough correct. Let me just say something else. So what's happened here? The sentence is starting fi faslina, correct? And as you know, whenever a preposition, what is fi? Harf jar, correct?
Yeah, harf jar.
Yeah,
because that mubtada, it is not definite.
Exactly.
After the.
That's right. So fi faslina is jar and majroor. Whenever a preposition comes in the beginning of the sentence, the reason for it is that the mubtada, the subject, is coming without alif lam. So because talibun is coming without alif lam is nakira, so the khabar comes first. Talibun is the mubtada, delayed mubtada, and dhu sha'rin tawilin, the whole thing is coming as an adjective for the talib. In our classroom is a student who dhu sha'rin. Is this clear for everyone? So dhu is following the same i'rab of talib, which is marfu, and dhu waw is there. So is this clear for everyone? So dhu sha'rin is mudaf ilay. Tawilin is the adjective for what type of hair he has, short hair or long hair. Is this clear for everyone?
So because it is indefinite, it came afterward.
Yes. And the next example, ra'aytu taliban. So here I saw, who did I see? A student. What was the description of the student? Now here, dhu sha'rin changes to the sha'rin tawilin. Why? Because taliban is coming with a fatha tanween. To show that it is in the state of raf, the dhu changes to an alif, and sha'rin is mudaf ilay. So taliban, the sha'rin tawilin. Does this make more sense for everyone now?
So it is mansub now.
Yes. Yes.
So Talib, if it's in
Taliban.
Taliban.
Yep.
Because
Taliban is
on the-
mansub and ja is mansub.
Yes. Ismat?
Yeah, Taliban is on Fatatain. I mean, so
Fatatain,
that's
yeah,
why it is
exactly.
Za. That's why it takes
Yes.
Za.
Yes.
It follows
Yes.
the same pattern, isn't it?
Yes, absolutely right. And the other thing is that this word dhu and the, it always comes as mudaf. This book hasn't mentioned this, but I'll tell you, the word dhu and the always comes mudaf and mudaf ilay. So you may ask the question, why cannot say ra'aytu taliban than? You cannot say than with a fatha tanween. You may say that. No, what happens is the word, because dhu and the always comes mudaf ilay. And do you remember in book 1 and 2 and 3, I mentioned that the mudaf never takes tanween. Do you remember that?
Yes.
That's
Now
it.
it comes back.
Sorry, Ismat?
And I just said it's just now you're reminding us. That's when I remember.
Yeah. So my job is to remind. Your job is to remember.
To forget.
So, yeah.
Oh my God. Thank you.
Ra'aytu taliban. So can I say than because it's mudaf? Mudaf doesn't take tanween. So the sha'rin tawilin. And the next example, uridu mushafan. What type of mushaf? The. Mushafan
Okay.
is the object for the verb I want. The harfin kabirin. Is this clear for everyone now?
Yes.
Sister Sadiqa? Sister Sadia?
Yes.
Sister Akila?
Yes, Sheikh.
Brilliant. Okay. Right. Let me bring Sister Akila for 4 and 5, please.
Proper noun on the same pattern of fu'alu are
Mamnu'un min as-sarf.
mamnu'un min as-sarfi. For example, zuhalu, zufaru, hubalu. The word hubalu is the name of a pre-Islamic deity. Zuhalu means statue, and zufaru is a name. This pattern of proper names is called ma'dulun. Note the al-i'rab declension of this type of nouns.
So what he's trying to say, in Arabic, we call them mamnu'un min as-sarf. They are diptone nouns. All diptone nouns, in other words, like Umar, Adnan, Sha'ban, Ibrahim, all of, if you've got a pen and paper, you can write this down. All diptone, D-I-P-O-T-E, diptone nouns, they don't take tanween, neither they take kasra, tanween and kasra. So over here now, kharaja Omaro, Sister Akila, kharaja Omaro.
Umar went out.
So the word Omaro is not taking a tanween, it's just having one dhamma, because this is a diptone noun.
Okay.
So normally, if I said a student went out, how would you say that? Kharaja?
Talibun.
Kharaja talibun. Excellent. I asked a student, how would you say that? Sa'altu?
Sa'altu
is the object. Talib.
Taliba.
Taliban. Fatha tanween. So here, The word Umar, when it comes as an object, because I am asking the question, Sa'altu Umar Ra.
I asked Umar.
Correct. And the third one is now coming after a preposition. It doesn't take a kasra. Instead, it takes a
Fatah.
So read this, please. Katabtu.
Katabtu ila Umara. I wrote to Umar.
Is this clear for everyone? So normally a normal noun will be kharaja is a verb, and the noun which comes after it should be with a tanween or a dhamma. For example, kharaja talibun, kharaja Muhammadun. When I make it an object, a normal noun, it will be sa'altu mudarrisan, sa'altu taliban. But this word Umaru and Umaru, it is a dipto noun. It doesn't take a dhamma tanween, neither a fatha tanween. And katabtu ila risala, katabtu ila umara, you'll be katabtu ila talibin. I wrote to a student. So normally a noun after a preposition takes a kasra or kasra tanween.
Kasra.
Tanween, exactly, kasra tanween. Is this clear? These are diptone nouns. That's why it gave you 3 examples: raf, nasb, and jar. Marfu, mansub, and majroor. Who's confused? Who is confused?
Sorry, Sheikh.
Yep.
You know about this ila is a preposition, isn't it?
Correct. Correct.
So why does it take tanween, kasra, tanween, and not only kasra?
The reason why, because if the noun is indefinite, it takes a kasra tanween. Katabtu ila talibin.
Yeah. Okay.
If I said I wrote,
because Umar is no, there is no al.
Yeah, so the Umar is a diptone noun. So there is a category of nouns in the Arabic language. Neither they have alif lam, but they don't have alif lam, but because they are from a certain category of words that there are non-Arabic words or maybe other reason, they don't take a kasra tanween or a kasra when they come after a preposition like ila. Okay?
Thank you so much.
So that's the answer. There's some prepositions. So these are some nouns. Inshallah, I'll cover in more detail when we do some more examples, inshallah. Right, number 5, please.
We have learned in book 2 some words denoting the colors. For example, aswadu, ahmaru, asfaru, abyazu. This is the masculine singular form. The feminine singular form is on the pattern of fa'ala'u, bayza'u, abayzu, sawda'u, aswadu, hamra'u, ahmaru. Both masculine and feminine form are mamnu'un min as-sarfi. Here are some examples of the feminine form. Sha'ru ra'asi aswadu walihiyati bayza'u. The hair of my head is black and my bird is white. Hazihi shajaratu khazra'u. This tree is green. As-sama'u zarqa'u. The sky.
Yeah, so all of these colors are feminine. Okay, as-sama is feminine, zarqa is feminine, shajara is feminine, khadra is feminine, lihiyati is feminine, bayda'u is being used. And sha'ru is masculine, so sha'ru ra'si aswadu. So these are the masculine and feminine colors. So adjectives with regards to colors are feminine, and you probably know there's even some sisters named Zarqa. So there is even sisters as well, some sisters whose name is Zarqa, which is blue. Right, okay, finish off point number...
There is only one plural for both the masculine and feminine form.
Yep,
it is on the pattern of fu'alun. For example, al-hunudul humaru, the red Indians. Man haulai rijalu sudu wa ulaikan nisa'u sumru. Who are these black men and those brown women?
Correct.
6.
That's it. That is number 6 and 7, 8. Oh, because there's quite a few that I need to explain them as well. So inshallah, I will do them next session as well, inshallah. Tomorrow, 5 o'clock. 6 o'clock tomorrow. Okay, yeah. So inshallah, I will try to squeeze this in. I'll see when I could do this, and I think it'd be difficult tomorrow. Okay, inshallah, next session we'll cover this and finish the points to remember, and then we'll do the lesson as well, inshallah. So please, the verbs which I've sent yourself, practice them, and the ayat of the Quran, try to highlight them and tell me which verb are they. Is it past tense, present tense, and commands? I've sent you the screenshots. So if you can kindly do some of those verbs, solve the verbs, which tense they are and which form they are, that would be much appreciated as well, inshallah. Is that okay?
Yes, thank you.
Jazakallah, inshallah.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you.
Unless everyone's available tomorrow, 5 p.m. tomorrow. Is everyone available 5 p.m. tomorrow, UK time?
Yes, Sheikh.
Inshallah.
Yes, Maulana.
Okay, if you're available for tomorrow, I'll cover this class tomorrow 5 p.m.
Tomorrow 5.
Yeah, 5 to 6 tomorrow. So if someone can message in the group that we have a class tomorrow, that would be much